Commenced our descent and will shortly be landing in Belfast. Please return to your seats. Ensure that all items of hand luggage have been safely stowed back into the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you. Please also stow away your tray tables. Ensure your seat backs are upright, armrests down, seat belts fastened and window blinds fully open. Electronic devices should remain in flight safe mode or be switched off, and the toilets will no longer be available for use. A polite reminder to all our customers with infants on laps, please ensure that they are secured properly with the infant seat belt provided. Customers seated in our overwing exits and front row exits, please ensure that all loose items, small bags, duty-free bags, handbags, loose jackets, etc. are all stowed in the lockers only for landing, nothing on your lap or around the floor area. The crew will shortly be passing through the cabin to ensure that we are safe and ready for landing. At this time we will take your last items of rubbish and items to be recycled. Please clear these from the seat pockets and have them all ready for collection. Finally, prior to landing, we do ask please that you review your safety card. In the event of an emergency, you must leave all cabin baggage on board. Thank you.
You can see a bit down below there. That's what I felt like to me. Oh, bye bumpy. Look at that view.
I'm just looking out the window here.
Get a good view from here. Either.
Okay, I'm just turning.
This view is amazing. There's a something over there. Look at that rain curtain, that is something else right there. Loch Ness looks like it.
I think that is.
I think that's Loch Ness right there.
Aterrizaremos pronto, así que guarde su equipaje de mano y ordenadores portátiles. Abróchese el cinturón, cierre la mesa plegable, baje los reposabrazos y abra la persiana de la ventana. A partir de ahora no puede usar el baño. Revise la tarjeta con instrucciones de seguridad en el bolsillo de su asiento delantero. Contiene información de seguridad importante. En caso de emergencia, deje todo el equipaje de mano a bordo. En easyJet estamos comprometidos a reducir nuestro impacto medioambiental. Le pediremos que coloque los residuos reciclables en una bolsa separada mientras recogemos la basura. Por favor, no deje basura en el bolsillo del asiento delantero ni en el suelo.
Every time we go off the land, it's always quiet. Anyway, I can start the bus later.
Oh, there's Butcher Road, I see it.
Is that Butcher?
I'm pretty sure it is, it looks like it. Yeah, that's the
Oh
Olympia.
yeah, I see it.
That's the Olympia right there.
The Olympia Leisure Centre. Yeah.
There's the rise. Oh my god, look at that view, that is so cool. Oh my god, that is so weird. I can see our eyes.
I really just tell how small Belfast actually is, and I'm just... Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that view. Over the wagon. That is amazing. Hold on a sec. Oh my god, I missed that. What? I'm not seeing any. There's no cruise ships in or anything. Oh, we're turning. We're going to get a really good view now. Wow! Oh look, you can actually see the runway of BHJ. Look at that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh wow! I can see the Belfast Airport runway.
No.
No, I can see the runway of it. Wow!
We're going to have to get a bus over to the international. That's where we're parked.
There's Hazelbank down there. You can, yeah. That's pretty much what we just did there. It's part of their waypoints. Check that out. Here we go again. The familiarity's back. Isn't it?
Very big turn.
Ow. Don't know what I was thinking there. Trying to see if I can see the airport. Oh, I can actually, it's right there. There's the airport. I can see the airport from here. Just adjusting. Wow, look at that. See all the way to the moors from here? That is a photo right there. What?
Is that the mooring?
Yep.
Awesome.
That is amazing. Look at that. Probably, I don't know. Here we go, final approach. This is absolutely gorgeous.
I see our mountains there.
So do I.
Remember all we were walking?
There's the M2. There's the M2. Oh, I can already feel the weight off my. Yeah, about the gear. See the cars on the farm over there? Yep. You can feel the wind hitting against the blade. Yeah, you can.
See when we're long, can you put your camera to the other window? Because I want to see out that
Oh
one.
yeah, sure. We'll do that now. Better view from here anyway. From my camera. Windy. There it is, the road's the wrong way. Here we are.
Touchdown.
I will, don't worry. You thought that going to the Palma as well?
Why are you elected to me? You fucking darling.
We've made it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Belfast, where the time is just approaching 10 minutes past 5. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop, and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs.
Thank you, Air Force.
Before you leave us today, please ensure that you have all of your personal belongings with you by checking the forward seat pocket underneath your seats and surrounding floor area. Do take care when you're opening the overhead lockers as well, just in case anything has moved during the flight, as it can very easily fall out. Smoking, vaping and using e-cigarettes is strictly not permitted whilst taxiing or until you're in a designated smoking area within Belfast Airport. However, you may now freely use all your electronic devices for messaging, calls and internet access. Did you know that we also offer an unbeatable price guarantee for our package holidays? So whether you're after a city break or a beach holiday, we have thousands of hand-picked hotels for you to choose from. Simply search easyJet Holidays and start planning your next getaway. On behalf of easyJet, your captain, Michael Francis Naylor, and all your onboard crew today, we'd like to thank you for choosing easyJet. We wish you all a very safe and pleasant onward journey. Thank you and a very good afternoon.
There's the cargo terminal over there.
This is a polite reminder that the seatbelt signs are still on, and this does apply to young kids in your company.
I'm alright. I went all the way to the airport.
There's the gates over there at the main terminal. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm seeing this place again.
What?
It is, yeah. It's hard to tell, it doesn't look like it. That happened before we left as well.
Well,
What? I didn't even actually understand what you just said. I heard my name. I was about it. Okay, why did it just crazy? Why you trying to
Looks like we're parking at gate 23. They don't have bridges here.
Complete Santos arrival.
I really should have bridges from the third port I often thought.
And that's it.